everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Sandra from Makesales, and today I'll be taking you on a quick tutorial on how to add your social media accounts on the platform so your customers can easily connect with you. Once you have logged into your account, you navigate down to the settings button on your dashboard. Once you click on it and the options are displayed for you, you navigate down to the social links and you click on it. Once you click on it and the page is displayed, yeah, you get to see where you can include your Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook accounts username. Once you include your username for each social media account, you click on the Save Changes button, and automatically you have successfully added your account to the platform, and your customers can connect with you when they get to shop from your website. So that is how easy it is to add your social media links on your dashboard. Until next time, see you in our next tutorial. Bye!